And then I had this genius idea, and yes, I did not originally plan this. This is only really happening because I lost so many girls. I was like, can I ask Ame to be in it? Could I fill at least one slot back up with Ame? So I attempted, and I got the okay pretty quickly. Yeah, because she has the affiliate status, so she can potentially do these things. I guess I also didn't want to bother her. And I don't know if she would be up for it and so on. And in general, I just didn't want to bother her, you know. But yeah, losing 4 girlies, I was like in a situation where I was like, fuck, my set list is looking so empty, and it's not like I can change the songs. So then I tried, and got the okay pretty quickly, because luckily also the recording time period, more or less, I mean, it had to be done kind of separately, but a certain detective may have descended at the time to the glorious land of Cover Studio, and so yeah, I think she was like probably already gonna come anyway. I don't know, maybe coincidence. I don't wanna disturb like her privacy too much, so I don't wanna share too much about it. But I'm so honored. I'm so honored, and I'm so happy to have Ame again together as if she never left. Yeah, what led me to bring Ame into this and revive her. And I think it's so funny how first of all, I did expect that people would be excited, but I didn't expect like such an explosion. And so another thing that's interesting about that is I saw Japanese bros reacting quite fondly of that too, not partially because of Ame, but also because they realized, oh wait, so this is really possible? So can like Chloe, for example, also appear again with HoloX? And yeah, like, of course. Yeah. In theory, if someone's like, hey, I want this person, let's check, and if this person is available. Yeah, I understand that people weren't quite aware of these possibilities until now, because I guess this is kind of the first time that Ame reappears. It's gotta be something more exciting, otherwise what's the point of, so to say, graduating? Normal collabs, I said already back then, I don't believe that will happen. Yeah, but something exciting like this, totally doable, I suppose. Yeah, so yeah, exciting. That's going to be my concert tonight.
We'll also be having as many Hololive English members invited here today as possible. And that might even mean that we get a member who you haven't seen in a long, long time. You already know, don't you? Yes, and also we have flower crowns, as you can maybe tell. Pretty, well. And one more thing, the stage. Let's give an applause for the stage. Woohoo, the stage. Thank you for coming, you cutie patooties. Are you excited for a big concert out here in this outdoor square? Yay. All right, then let's jump right into it. Everybody, let's have a great time. Enjoy! Woo!
I woke up and I see millions of replies in my Twitter feed, scrolling endlessly, and they're all going, Ame! 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 Ame!